This video will guide you through the process of replacing the mass airflow sensor on a 2014 Chevrolet Cruze. The mass airflow sensor, or MAF, is positioned near the engine either on the intake air manifold or the air filter housing. If the engine has been running, let it cool sufficiently before starting work to avoid burns from hot parts. And always wear personal protective equipment, including rubber gloves and safety goggles, when working on a vehicle. Begin by removing the sensor. Disconnect the negative battery cable from the battery to remove power from the vehicle's electrical systems. Unplug the electrical connector attached to the mass airflow sensor. Unscrew the bolt that secures the sensor in place and remove the sensor from its mounting. Next, perform a thorough visual inspection of the sensor. Carefully examine the sensor for loose hoses, cracks, holes, or other physical damage. Discard and replace the sensor as needed. Finish by installing the sensor. Carefully insert the mass airflow sensor into the intake air manifold or air filter housing, as applicable. Secure the sensor in place by tightening the bolt. Reattach the electrical connector to the sensor. Reconnect the negative battery cable to complete the installation. Start the engine and monitor the dashboard for any warning lights. If none are present, test drive the vehicle to confirm proper operation without any issues. This concludes the procedure for replacing the mass airflow sensor on a 2014 Chevrolet Cruze. Thanks for watching.